Well, okay. Good morning, everybody. Today is on the 22nd of January. The month is almost ending. And yesterday we did an analysis. We were looking for potential buyers above 27.29, 27.22 sells below this point. So the thing is we got the push up over here. The market then the next candle, instead of it retracing and then going back up, it went straight down. All right. So we got a break below this area, 27.28. Very nice break. The next candle did not even go up. So this was supposed to be a sure sell to go down, but then the market turned around. All right. Like I told you, you need to be very careful right now. We have a new person new president in the US. Trump is in the office, and yeah, the market has to take its reactions. So everybody was expecting definitely that the gold will go down. Everybody has been expecting that gold will go down, but somehow gold is still going up. So look at this, right? So the buys on the other side did give us some very good move because after I lost actually the first trade over here, I had a buy stop which got activated, entered into profit, and then came back down, went all the way down to stop loss. The second one took it after this candle closed. It took a sell from this point, started very well in profit, and then all of a sudden turned around. Told myself, you know what? I'm not going to force trades. I'm done for the day. But then I saw this move happening and decided to give my trade a second chance. Entered a buy over here, put my stop loss just below this previous candle wick over here. And yeah, to my surprise, that now went all the way to take profit 1, 2, and 3. And that was really good. And still going up. Okay. So I'm still holding one trade. I'm still holding one trade. I removed take profit and I took it all the way to 27.70. So I'm still holding one of those trades. 27.79. That is the target that I have right. All right. Let's see. What do we have in terms of fundamentals? Fundamentals, we raise on Wednesday. Again, we have nothing for the dollar, but we expect crazy movement, of course. All right. All right. We're good. Let's go back to our technical analysis. Let's do it very quickly and let's see what we're missing here. We gotta do something. We gotta make something today. See, the monthly candle is really pushing. It's on the verge to create a new high. The monthly candle, it actually will create a new high. I think so. It may create a new high, and that's gonna be definitely something good to think about. Just 1 minute. I need to edit this. Extend to the right. Thank you. All right. So monthly resistance, monthly support over there, monthly resistance. All right. Weekly. We have weekly support happening over there. Now the weekly, the resistance was broken. You see, the resistance was here, but now it's broken. That is where the resistance was. Let me try to expand this a bit so that you can see. This is where the resistance was, but it's now broken. All right, it was just above that wick over there, but it's now broken, and now the candle is going up. All right, so this one we're gonna need to adjust it now. So now the new weekly resistance is on the monthly resistance. Now we're looking for a daily, and this is it. Daily supports with the same resistance as the monthly and the weekly. See? We're also looking to get the 4 hours support over here. 1 hour support. Right now, all the resistance are the same. So all you gotta focus on is the supports. Unless I'm making a bad decision. No, we have this area to worry about. We have this area over here to worry about. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's where the market is headed. 2760 area. 2760. Yeah, 2760. All right. In terms of 1 hour, 30 minutes, and all that stuff over here, we have the support level over there. Yeah, and the market's now pushing up. and we just broke above this point. We just broke above this point, consolidated a bit, and then now the market is taking off. See, we just broke above this point. The market just broke, reached retracement and consolidation a bit, and then the market now just took off, and we headed all the way to this point. All right. So now the problem is taking entries at where the market is. To be honest, I would say sometimes, it's always good to be honest with yourself. To be honest, I would say I'm already late. I should have taken the buys from this point. But since I have only already one trade that is running, I'm gonna hold that to this area, 2760. How can I get into this trade? It's tricky because this is the high. I can't really say this is a resistance zone that needs to be broken. I can't say that because this is a current active candle. Woo. Let's go to the left. Let's see what can we get from the left. From where the current price line is. Look, this is where the current price is. Man, you just have to trust your guts over here. Because we're moving from here, we want to go all the way to here. Right? We may have some dilly-dallies over there, over here. We may have something happening over there. So it's also good to keep an eye on that. But, and also let me mark this one as well. Very important. Yes. But where we are right now is here. There's no way we can say that. I have no idea what, or not unless we wait for the break above this point for you to continue going up, which is quite a big gap. It's all the way from 2754 to 2762, or the where the take profit is supposed to be. That will be the safest buys. But at the moment, it's a case by case scenario. Now you gotta keep your eyes peeled on this because you don't want to get yourself mixed up in this. So hapa, you have to trust your guts. Either you do an impulse entry, execution, stop loss just below this in 1 hour. Yeah, 30 minutes. Execution, stop loss below this wick over here. And hopefully hope that the market is gonna continue pushing up. That is the best thing I can tell you that you can do. All right, just probably just push, just do an impulse entry. Honestly, I don't know. This was the best area for buys. The best area for buys was around this area, moving all the way up. That was the best area for buys. But now we already up. So not unless we have a retracement coming down to this point, then we pick a buy to go up. You can either do the impulse entries from there, stop loss just below this point, then monitor the trade as it goes to this area. But should it break above this point, then that's now a very good entry, safe entry that you can put with a good lot size to go up. Should we have a retracement to this point, that's another good entry. You can do it without stress. But as at now, as we look at it like this, okay, the market is already in movement, all right? It's already in an impulse move already. So we cannot jump in. It's like trying to jump into a moving bus. So there are chances that you either fall or the bus just breaks up. If it breaks very quickly, you may also get hurt, So there's something. It's already it's a moving train, and you don't want to jump in it if you don't have some very good I don't know, protective gears or something. Yeah. Let's see how the market moves anyway. So anyway, should not keep us from not finishing our analysis. Should we want to do sells, we can do them below this point. We can do some sells below this point, projecting our areas all the way down to this point over here. Yep. So that is basically it. So that is if you want to do sells, if the sells comes into a place. The buys were good from this point. We're already late. Should we have some very good buys, some break over here, then we can do a buy over here. All right. Bye-bye, guys, and take care. We'll keep an eye on this. I've said you can do an impulse. Up to you. It's up to you. You can do an impulse, put your stop loss below this previous candle, 30 minutes candle, and try to look at it. Because chances are it can either go up or come first of all down. Pick. This will be the best scenario. Pulling back down to this point, then continue going up with it. That will be the best scenario. All right. So let's see. Let's see how the market is. Risk manage well, keep focus on this, and meet up tomorrow. We do an analysis of this. Hopefully everybody gets some piece of this market, yeah? Right? Bye-bye, guys, and take care.